In this video, I will show you how to truncate data in Microsoft Excel. So you have to use this formula equal sign. Type this formula equal sign TRUNC. So select this formula. Now select this cell, comma, type number 2, closing bracket, press enter. Now drag and drop this formula to apply for all. Similarly, if you type here number 3 and press enter, so you can sort your data like this. Number 4, press enter. And also in the home tab, you can increase or decrease like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.